Money is a tool that God entrusts to us, and as Christians, we are called to manage it wisely and for His glory. In this video, we'll explore how to steward your money in a way that honors God and supports His purposes, while also providing for your needs and blessing others. Let us begin. Step 1. Recognize that everything belongs to God. The first step in stewarding money as a Christian is understanding that everything we have comes from God. Psalm 24 verse 1 reminds us, "The earth is the Lord's, and everything in it." When we see ourselves as caretakers of God's resources, we approach money with gratitude and responsibility. Step 2. Give generously. Tithing and giving are essential acts of faith and worship. Proverbs 3 verse 9 says, "Honor the Lord with your wealth." Set aside the first portion of your income to give back to God, whether through your church, missions, or helping those in need. Generosity reflects God's heart and aligns your priorities with His kingdom. Step 3. Budget with wisdom. Being a good steward means managing your finances responsibly. Create a budget that helps you track your income, expenses, and savings. Proverbs 21 verse 5 reminds us, "The plans of the diligent lead to profit as surely as haste leads to poverty." A budget ensures you're using your money intentionally and avoiding unnecessary debt. Step 4. Save and prepare for the future. While generosity is important, it's also wise to save. Proverbs 6 verses 6 to 8 speaks of the ant that stores provisions for the future. Saving shows prudence and allows you to be prepared for unexpected expenses or opportunities to give. Balance saving with trust in God, knowing He is your ultimate provider. Step 5. Use money to bless others. God blesses us so we can bless others. Look for ways to use your resources to impact lives, whether through acts of kindness, supporting ministries, or helping someone in need. Acts 20 verse 35 reminds us, "It is more blessed to give than to receive." Use your money to reflect God's love and care. Stewarding your money as a Christian is about more than just budgets and savings. It's about trusting God, living generously, and using your resources to glorify Him. When you approach money with faith and purpose, it becomes a tool for blessing and growth in His kingdom. If these tips encouraged you, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who wants to honor God with their finances, and subscribe for more faith-filled content. Let's steward what God has given us wisely and faithfully.